Are you looking for the best 3D printer reviews for your home? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printer reviews for your home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Comgrow Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3 series is a highly affordable, fully open-sourced, and easy-to-assemble printer with a compact design and decent print volume. This kit-style 3D printer comes with all tools needed for assembly and is a great project for middle and high school-aged students, needing about 2 hours to build. With a sizable printer area, the product value is unbeatable. The hot bed reaches 110 degrees Celsius, 230 degrees Fahrenheit, in about 5 minutes, and meets the needs of fast heating and printing for ABS. This printer produces high-quality products, with the option to perform upgrades easily and inexpensively. Number 2. Official Creality Ender 3V2 3D Printer. Sometimes you just want to unpack a printer and start making things. Unfortunately, there aren't any 3D printers available right now capable of that, but the Ender 3V2 comes close. In my tests, this printer took less than 10 minutes to set up and start printing since it comes mostly pre-assembled, unlike many other models in this price range. The software is also easy to work with, and the print results are excellent. It is one of the noisier models in this roundup, if that factors into your choice. Compared to Ender 3V2, this Ender 3V2 Neo printer is pre-installed, and the assembly requires only 3 steps. Friendly enough to users and beginners in assembly process, which will save much time. It is convenient for customers to install it in a quick way, more efficient. Upgraded CR Touch 16-point automatic bed leveling technology saves you in the trouble of manual leveling. Easy to use, the intelligent leveling system can automatically compensate for the printing height of different points of the hot bed. It saves much more time for customers in long-time leveling adjustment. Quickly finish the leveling process. The upgraded UI adds a model preview function, making it easier to observe the printing shape and progress for customers, which is convenient for you to know about the model status. Also, it supports 9 languages for different customers' demand. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. The Adventurer 5M Series 3D printer offers an appealing package for beginners entering the world of 3D printing. Its one-click automatic printing feature simplifies the often daunting bed leveling process, ensuring consistent results without manual adjustments. The printer's easy-to-operate design extends to its rapid nozzle changes and multiple platform options, catering to various skill levels and project needs. While the 12x ultra-fast printing capability may be more than novices want or require, it provides room for growth. The real-time app monitoring adds convenience, allowing users to oversee prints remotely. Overall, the Adventurer 5M series balances accessibility with advanced capabilities, making it a solid choice for those starting their 3D printing journey. Number 4. Elegu Neptune 4 Pro 3D Printer. The Elegu Neptune 4 Pro 3D printer offers compelling features for figurine makers. Its high-speed printing capability, up to 500 mm per second, allows for quick production of detailed models. The enhanced precision from its upgraded metal guide rails helps to ensure the finer details typically found in figurines aren't lost. The dual-gear direct drive extruder provides smooth filament feeding, crucial for intricate designs. The printer's auto-leveling feature and high-temperature nozzle contribute to consistent quality across prints. Its compatibility with various materials, including PLA and ABS, offers versatility in figurine creation. Keep in mind, the build volume may limit larger figurines, and the high speed could potentially affect fine detail quality if not properly calibrated. Overall, the Neptune 4 Pro balances speed and precision, which makes this a solid choice for figurine enthusiasts, though careful settings adjustment may be necessary for optimal results. Number 5. QIDI Technology Max 3 3D Printer. The QIDI's price falls between beginner and mid-range but offers great quality for what you pay. This model's polished design stands out from many other inexpensive 3D printers, delivering high-quality printed models to match. You'll also get features not found on other, more budget-minded printers, including the ability to print large sizes. It comes with excellent documentation to get you printing quickly. Upgrade maximum speed 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, 325 by 325 by 315 mm printing size. Fully assembled and auto-leveling, featuring Clipper firmware and Core XY structure, the desktop 3D printers is out of box for using. Perfect for professionals and beginners. The QIDI X Max 3 3D printer is one of the best fast and large 3D machine around. X Max 3 have ultra-stable all-metal frame, 6 mm thickness aluminum heat bed plate, 10 mm width belt, 10 mm hardened hollow steel linear shafts, ensures smooth and stable printing, and no need for frequent maintenance. More reliable 3D printer accessories, less printing worries. QIDI high-performance filaments can perfectly print in X Max 3, such as PA12, CF/PETCF/PAHTCF/ABSGF, etc. You can explore various printing options and achieve exceptional results. Meanwhile, direct drive extruder can easy print standard materials, PLA, ABS, ASA, PETG, TPU, or experiment with specialty filament, PC, PA, carbon fiber, GF. This printer provides versatility and flexibility to accommodate your printing needs.